Recording in progress.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
All right. Okay.
There.
Let me share you the screen. Off your mic, please.
Recording in progress.
Please off your mic. All students, please off your mic. Can you hear me clearly? Okay. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. This is an introduction of the subject for the semester 2, control system design. The code is seee3143. Can you see can you see my slide? Can you see my slide?
Yes, doctor.
So the lecturer's name is stated there. Okay, my name is Muhammad FUA'AD Rahmat. My office is at P19E, level 4. Okay, so you can email me anytime and WhatsApp me anytime. Okay, so for this particular subject, we have several sections as listed here. Okay, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, multiplied by 2, more roughly about 15 sections. Okay, and our sections is this one, which is section 5 and 6, which consists of SEEE, electrical, and SEEL, electronics. Okay, so you can email me using @utm.my or @fke.utm.my. Okay, both will do. And the coordinator of the subjects is Dr. Shafi Suhaza binti Sahlan. So all of us will cooperate with her. Okay, Dr. Shafi will coordinate all the off mic, please. Okay. So for part-time, we have one section in KL, which is will be under my section as well. Okay, so this one is for the working persons. Okay, their class is on the Saturday and Sunday. So this is my biodata for these sections. Okay, I think majority students knows me. Maybe you meet me in the office or in the elevator, lift, and so on. Okay, so that is my introduction, my education history, right? From UTM, from Sheffield, yeah. And I have about 34 experience as academicians. And as the administrator, it is a head of departments and the dean as well. actively involved in IEEE Control System Society. So you can see all my website in my URL, okay, FUA'AD.fku.utn.my, where I park all the lecture materials over there, okay. Maybe some past year test, past year exams questions, okay. So you can refer to that URL. So the timetable is shown here, where our class is on the Monday, which is week 1, okay, week 2, okay. So week 1 and week 2, the class will be online because I'm not in Malaysia at the moment, okay. So I will come back in the week 3, and class will begin face-to-face as usual in week 3. So you will see me again in Monday, 11 to 1, and then Wednesday, 12 to 1. And this is the part-time, which is the timetable for the part-time. So we have about 6 times face-to-face, and one each face-to-face consists of a marathon of 6 hours lecture. Okay. So as you know that for the Faculty of Electrical Engineering, we have a program educational objectives, okay, which is graduate are able to become electrical engineers who are competent, innovative, and productive in addressing customer needs, and then grow professionally with proficient in soft skills, and can demonstrate high standard of attitude, positive attitude, and societal responsibilities. We have several PLOs for our programs. So basically we have 12, okay. So our subject will involve P04, PLO4, which is application of modern engineering tools, which is software, MATLAB. And then design, which is ability to design solution for complex system, which is highlighted in the green text. Okay. And for lifelong learning, we also emphasize on the reporting and presentation, group presentations, okay, which will consume about 20% of the carry marks. So the rest is not related, okay? So PLO 4, 5, and 8. So this subject involve design in time domain and frequency domain. So in time domain, the tools that we use is rule locus, okay, rule locus procedures and MATLAB programming. And we will design a PID controller. PID stands for proportional, integrate, and derivative controller. Provided that you know the mathematical model or transfer function of the system. And then the second big part is the design in the frequency domain, which using a lead and lag compensator. And the major tools that we use is the board plot for frequency domain and MATLAB software as well. So for these subjects, we have 4 CLO, course learning outcome. First course learning outcome is design the PID controller and lead-lag compensator in time domain using rule locus. And then CLO2 is design the lead-lag compensator in frequency domain using a board plot approach. And CLO3 is applied control engineering concepts to the various real-life applications. That is for the assignments, okay, using computer programming, MATLAB software, and then prepare the reporting and presentations. Okay. So when we're mapping between CLO and PLO, CLO1 will map to the PLO5, which is the design. CLO2 also correspond to design, PLO5. And then use MATLAB software in analyzing control system, performance and stability. And then CL04 is the assignments, which is reporting and presentations, which correspond to PLO8 for lifelong learning. So all this will be assessed in your courseworks. And for that purpose, we have a 50% coursework and 50% final exams, which consists of test 1, 15% on the, it's not 2nd of May, is a correction, is 7th of May, not 2nd of May, 7th of May. Please do the corrections, 7 May, okay, which is at 9 p.m. Then test 2, 15% is on 14th of June, 2023, and at 9 p.m. as well, okay, because this paper, number of students is quite high, about 400 plus students taking this subject. And the assignments, reporting, presentation, and MATLAB software consume of 20% of the marks, okay? And the scope for test 1 and test 2 is shown there, okay? Which is the test 1 will cover on the design in time domain, test 2 will cover on the design in frequency domain, and finally, final exam, all chapters, 4 questions, answer all, no options, which 50%. So assessment is shown here, test 1, test 2, 15, 15, report 10, demonstration 5, and quiz 5. So I forgot to mention to you, this one is quiz 5. We have a quiz at 5, okay, as directed by the coordinator, Dr. Shafis, okay? So we will discuss this quiz later on, okay? So this is the content of the topic 1, root locus method. You can read by yourself, okay? Some examples, graphics, figures, okay, to be understand. And we come out with the PID controller design after we understand and fully the concept of root locus. And then we go for the PID controller. And then we go for the board plot frequency design, okay, which consists of gain adjustment, light compensation, lead compensation, lead compensation, and all are using computer program MATLAB. And then finally, topic 4 is the case study for the assignments, okay. So this is some of the examples, okay. I don't have any idea at the moment, so maybe after come back from the Umrah, so I will think about it. So this is a lecture planning in details. So please take note that this one, week 1 should be over here, online asynchronous for 3, and then week 2 also online asynchronous 3. So 6 credits, 6 hours will be online asynchronous. Okay. Then week 3 will start face-to-face again, as usual, during Ramadan. Okay, until the week 15. So see, this is some of the textbook that I'm using for the particular subjects, okay, which is the Norman Nice Control System Engineering book. This is the Bible of these subjects, okay, fully referred, okay. So you don't have to buy this book. I already have the ebook in my URL, so you can download from there. And then some extra book for references book by K. Ogata, Richard Duff, and Bishops, Benjamin Ko. And for computer programming, I use MATLAB for control engineers. Okay. All these you can download from the internet free. Okay. And particularly for this subject, the coordinator and the team create the teaching module, which the price is 20 ringgit. And I already forward the link for you to fill out if you are interested to buy. Or if you don't want to order, you can buy from your senior, okay? Maybe with a 50% discount, okay, of 20 ringgit. And then this is the textbook of Normal Nice, the abstract and the content at glance. The second book is Dove and Bishop, Modern Control Systems. And then K. Ogata, okay. And then the Benjamin Coe book, okay, which this for references book is actually is my favorite books in find some ideas how to do the assignments, tests, and so on. Okay, so this one is for the assignments. You can have any other book as well, should be no problem. So teaching method is by lectures, by online, if necessary, okay. Problem solving and discussion, two-way communications. Lecture notes, slides, book chapter will be given through WhatsApp and will be downloaded in the e-learning website. Individual assignments will be given as we progress in the lecture, and then you want to create a group assignments, okay. So for group assignments, I will choose the students and to do the assignments. So you have to set to follow my setup, okay, in to do the assignments with reporting, presentation, and demos. So results, as you know that my subject is not a problem subject. If you work hard, you can understand and you can have a good grades, okay, but you have to work smart as well, okay, and have a think creatively in solving problems in the assignments. And I think you should be okay and make sure that you attend to the class, okay, with maintain 80% of the attendance, okay. I will watch and observe from here. And lastly, thank you for listening my short lecture. It's about half an hour for introductions. Currently, I'm not in Malaysia, okay. I'm on leave for 2 weeks. Currently, I am at the Saudi Arabia, Madinah and Mecca, to perform an Umrah. Okay, so is there any question to ask? You can share here. Any question?
No, Doctor.
Huh? Is there any questions? Can I see my students? Can you on your video? I want to see my students. Okay, please. Okay, can you on your video, please, so that I can see my student face? Right. Okay, thank you very much. Right. Majority is from electronics, and electrical. Okay. Is there any question to ask? First test 7 May, second test 14 of June. Okay, meaning that the test one will be held after Hari Raya. Okay, puasa dulu baru Raya. Okay, if there is no question, so I think I stop here. Then I will share the YouTube link on my recorded lecture today. Okay, everybody happy?
Yes.
Yes, Doctor. Yes.
Okay,
Doctor.
thank you very much. Shukran jazilan, Sheni, and see you later. Bye-bye.
All right. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.